Etiminam concern me this particular video, you know, it is so be a point be foul to bed, foul to bed, go. Do you remember that particular song? Yeah. It was finally Dr. NDC, Dr. ATM, Kevin Taylor, the personal doctor. I wear Kevin Taylor, personal doctor, family doctor, Dr. Kitchen, Dr. Ansan Sadali, appointment of Mahama Edemano as a board member of the National Health Insurance Scheme. Finally, Mahama are revoking appointments was sacking Emodi Bafro and Abashana concerning expose of Richard from Mensabusu. In this video, no, the Becken Kai revocation letter, no, any other things are play rules so far as revocation, a concern, a high Penyah Brock media. That's what I said. Over like if you do not want to subscribe to the click notification and latest updates, how much the wife in the mommy. It will comment as well as Baswa. No, she will more for any biashi. Osha Dr. Ansan Sadali, this particular fake doctor, yeah. A bit of a picture was a porn star, BC. As was a porn star, BC. I remember, say, a young man for Takase Mahama the first term, 2013 to 2016. Now a slave queen government. There's a more position, you're more to cashier position, you're more slave queens, you give positions to slave queens. You can't be in tears here. Let's watch this particular video.
What do we see today? They have allowed Botos to be sinking the party. Botos sank NDC. Botos is sinking NDC. How?
Video where 2014. Still you're too big at NDC. And they complain, they say, a tour, Nash, Shankus. It is destroying the NDC party. Because that time, Obeti Yamaoba position at 20. Now, interestingly, your one is a Banese will say a fear Ansan Sadali. Afrifa X Ansan Sadali. Wakwe kids as a Afrifa for sex extortion. Any other this either a drug and fear eba news in the Emma eba you know Kevin Taylor. Ebe can say a fear Ansan Sadali or your doctor.
This lady is a doctor.
A doctor can you know. And then the amount was it a fear Ansan Sadali on your doctor. On your doctor, as may happen 25th March, in the 25th March now. And then near my metaphor, actually, crack that 10 Ghana Medical and Dental Council. As I came here, or call her, say, Ansan Sadali, or your doctor. I said, or your registered doctor with a license, with a coder, obey to me, Penyah, to check echo, recorded for his particulars. A moon of repairs every day. If you Ansan Sadali are working as a media, ye moon baby, ye check your records, mono. Ye knew will be a friend of Dr. Ansan Sadali. Ye need to say, a fear Sansa is a D. Sansa no crano, another the crano. Doctor be referred to Dr. Deli, another Dr. Sansa. Like I say, yeah, mistake. Ye need be also. Next, I started the fear Ansan Sadali, educated till I air to my neighbor. And my free for strike if I catch you, said, the Ansan Sadali air, I'm a cavitura signature or yes, and only Jimeno, and yes, I'm not so a beshi. A dinner metaphor added this particular exposé by I said, a free Ghana Medical and Dental Council, a confirm say, a fear Ansan Sadali. Ghana, you knew your record being just with a doctor, and I can tell every brain damage. I'll wait them say, oh, if you answer Sadali, or your doctor, no on Ghana license, or USA license.
This lady is a doctor who practices in America. Now, mom says story being on social media. Oh, fake female medical doctor on GH1 TV exposed. This lady, a health show, LGH1.
This is Health and Life with Dr. Daly.
Health and Life with Dr. Daly.
Don't be one of those people who made all the money and are using all the money to pay bills. When you bring it, we'll take it because we're here to take care of you. This is Health and Life with Dr. Daly. My name is Dr. Ann Sansa Daly. This is Health and Life with Dr. Daly. My name is Dr. Ann Sansa Daly. 0800-678-678. And this is the National Suicide Prevention Helpline.
And right now, I'm starting with stories be on Modern Ghana. There are two people at Modern Ghana. They will be served personally and they will go to jail. And now, they have come together and contracted a man. This lady has never stood anywhere in Ghana to say or practice medicine and now or a medical doctor or Ghana on KBDA. But she has a license in the US. Andra, you saw a story. Asasi Radio so pick a story, no? Selective media houses affiliated to some group of people. Fake doctor exposed. and Sansa Daily not licensed to practice medicine in Ghana or US. So you go and check Asasi Radio. Who did the story? The person who did the story today, the lady's lawyer is trying to track him because he is going to be served.
Oh yeah.
Just a Kevin Taylor now barbos, Wojina and fiance as a deliachi. Kevin Taylor now barbos, what pampe. No, you can just say, let's kill Jandam. Just say, let's kill, but this is not Jandamo. We a crime. We a crime. It's over Kaya, also Kevin Taylor, Eba Ghana had him somewhere in February to March. Kevin Taylor Ghana went free for exposure. So at that time, now Kevin Taylor ever appointment from His Excellency John Mahama as it is being alleged. But Kevin Taylor Bayana, on an appointment, I was saying the informer Ansan Sadali. And it is about 20 Ansan Sadali on your doctor. No. Still, Kevin Taylor was defending her. Kevin Taylor was defending Ansan Sadali on your doctor who can license. And I said, or could be BHS or your medical doctor with me, all pretty. Like Kevin Taylor, a defender. And one about this is no. Mahama appointed Dr. Ansan Sadali as the NHIS board. No, Omeka Hubi. I think there is 15-member board. Omeka Hubi is almost running the National Health Insurance Scheme. And the first starting expose that was Sunday Uyano. Appointment in Mahama Edeman on the 19th of May 2025. CV Fianza Sadali represented to His Excellency John Mahama, Emma Mahama, Etiasia is a Mahama Eman appointment. Now CV all three say or graduate Free Johns Hopkins University in USA in 2015, 20th December 2015. And I say, the system or graduate free. Was according to the American Board of Family Medicine, and also from 2016 to 2019. Yes, we fortunate Niama, and the come His Excellency. But Mahama didn't also take time with his state of why councillors and other things. They couldn't verify it, and they accepted and gave this lady a fake doctor. They gave her an appointment, say homeopathy as a verified doctor. Our NHIS board no hubi. One and Reginald Sechi Brown Reginald as a three call Johns Hopkins. I said W. What is it? And you be air cost to Ghana as a fiance and Sadali. Concerning appointment, be at say, ye man as a mentor to be abem. It was so your mammy and Emma and 9 pay. Baku whether Madame Anna Sansadali is a graduate of the Johns Hopkins University School of Medicine. 2. The specific degrees she may have earned, including the year of graduation, because lady I can say, oh, year 2015, 20th December. And the GPA crown a 4. They say, Master, was scored no high. Has a first class distinction. Was scored no high. And a whether her credentials qualify her to practice medicine in any USA jurisdiction, and if so, under what licensure or certification. As a person, and for any publicly available information your office can confirm regarding her academic or clinical training at your institution. Others say, it's never 4 weeks, and I said now, Reginald Sechi Brown, a requested from Johns Hopkins University. I honor answer said claims or graduate free in 2015. 81 is almost 81 is also traded bread and said, yeah, checks in there. Ye new record bia for Dr. Ansan Sadeli bia or your record. They say, I bet confirm it. The Ghana Medical and Dental Council for Edinburgh said, ye need to be a friend Dr. Ansan Sadeli. Johns Hopkins for so so Edinburgh verification, but say, it is a failure. Ansan Sadeli will be cancelled in the way and who be here saying, Mahama, Eddie Ferrier, a be in the day, he said, all fan all man appointment, why any check, and no one is a man appointment, and no one is a town appointment at the man, all because Kevin Taylor and the air Mahama, dear 1 year, NDC government, such a useless leadership. It's whereby, and as attention was the Mahama, so as several, office of the president, as Eddie President, about 1 time, they are to do revocation of appointment and replacement to the board of National Health Insurance Authority, NHIE. I write to inform you that the President of the Republic has with immediate effect, revoked the appointment of Anne Sansadeli as a member of the board of National Health Insurance Authority. The president has nominated Professor Dr. Ernest Yoke to replace her as a member of the board. Kindly take the necessary steps to facilitate the swearing-in of Professor Dr. Ernest Yoke accordingly. Please accept the assurance of the highest consideration of His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Let's say Mahama, so this particular press statement about when I say, revoke Dr. Anna Sansadeli on appointment. Now, when you say about this, you say, Anna Sansadeli, yes, swearing in. We will not assume in on the 27th of May 2025. Because an appointment about 19th May. It's not assume in 27th May. If they said there be any Ministry of Health as well in 81. And the Ministry of Health said there be any negotiation there be any day my yenye. And negotiate party yenye. Over the president about one. And what you didn't say clarification on the appointment and swearing in of Anne Sansadeli to the National Health Insurance Authority Board. 1. The Ministry of Health has taken note of a publication on Graphic Online regarding the appointment and swearing in of Dr. Ms. Anne Sansadeli as a member of the National Health Insurance Authority Board. 2. The ministry wishes to categorically deny the allegations contained in the said publication and to present the fact as follows. A letter appointing Ms. Anne Sansadeli, along with other members of the board, was issued on 19th May 2025. Subsequently, a letter dated 23rd May 2025 was issued by the appropriate authority. This second letter revoked her appointment and appointed her replacement. It is important to clarify that Ms. Deli was not sworn in on the 27th May 2025 during the swearing-in ceremony held at the Ministry of Health. The ministry assures the public of his commitment to transparency and due process in all matters relating to public appointment. What's it? Oh, you're saying you guys will party. Yeah. General what you there be. Say yeah, answering in. Yeah, answering yes, mother. Yeah, answering. If you buy, you know, and I was saying the Mahama do actually. This particular story, at the Mahama Edward Ama W Africa, almost so at the post. Abba, almost say Ghana's president John Mahama has revoked the appointment of Anne Sansadeli from the National Health Insurance Authority Board following public concerns about her lack of a valid license to practice medicine in Ghana. Deli claimed to have studied at Johns Hopkins University, but following inquiries from Ghanaians, the institution responded, "We are unable to locate a record under this name." The presidency has now replaced her with Dr. Ernest Yoke, a physician and a former VP of the Ghana Medical Association. This incident has sparked a broader debate on how Ghana vets high-level appointments. Mahama good Ghana must totally. Oh, my appointment. What is the vetting process? And then I'm check here 18. Once in the 17 CVs by ya no. Okay, you know, also who school just like that.
Cute.
Mommy, you cute wrestle.
You cute wrestle?
Yes.
Good. Don't stop killing him. Kill him.
Wrestle. Hey, cute wrestle.
Mm-hmm.
Cute wrestle.
Kill him. Cute wrestle. Leave him dead. Happy Meal McDonald?
Yes.
You tell. We name everybody was a Happy Meal McDonald. We name so Okotobia was a some kind of walk on came here. I mean,
the way who feel. Mommy, I'm gonna come with those. I want to get. Mommy, I want to buy this. Mommy, watch.
yeah, I see that.
Me. Okay. What's mine? This. That. Oh! Hey! I'm sorry. I think this is my. Fuck.
Okay, right now, William, stop using the F word. Stop it.
Mommy.
Don't sorry me. Just stop saying it.
Stop it. Stop it, mommy.
You stop it.
Stop it. Thank you, mommy.
Go put this down in the kitchen and come back. Go put it in the kitchen.
No.
Go put it in the kitchen now.
No, mommy.
Hurry up.
I want it.
Take it to the kitchen. Hurry up.
No, I want it. Chicken.
Kitchen, not chicken. Hurry up.
No, mommy.
You don't want kitchen? You need to take that to the kitchen first, baby. Hurry up.
Mommy?
Yes, you didn't take it. What did you do with it?
No.
Can mommy do this one in peace, please?
No.
I just...
Gave me a fries.
Fries? Okay, I should give you fries and what? Go ahead. I'm taking the order.
Give me my Sonic toy.
You want a toy too? You want a Sonic toy in the kid's meal, right?
Yes.
Okay, what else do you want?
I want to tell you. I want to tell
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay, you want pizza or what? I'm taking your order. Hurry up, honey.
Give me my car toy.
You want a toy car?
Yes.
Okay, and then what?
Give me a patio mouse. Yes, mommy. I want to tell you.
Just like that, near many appointment. Move good Ghana numase. NDC government, move good Ghana numase na mon set up. Ansan sadele ye to akwa na ha mutintin we pa de ba dia. Ebusua, this ya asem no. Enya ya asem hwe bi. Etu akwatwe de twe. Afrifa ma won say ansan sadele onye careful. Ba say one treful. Akwa akwaji ne so. Sisi ade. Ansan sadele Mahama appointment de man no revoké. Na if ansan sadele kwa we nya koso no. The social media account na we delete ni na. Na kan account ni but now no. We tuma fakoto anyankwa. We delete na account ni na. Edwane every social media. A fight with Afrifa is a fight to death. It's Kevin Taylor. Only very careful. Wait, Afrifa is leading Kevin Taylor 10 trillion times. 10 trillion mass. 10 trillion mass. God will not esumpa. Tell your mama ever comments. I hate Penyah block.